Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you the Vulkano player or TV player. I showed you before the box and I kind of show you all the details about what the Vulkano does. Basically, just as a review, it's a way to stream your cable TV through the internet and access it from anywhere in the world. That includes not only any computer in your house that will be connected to the local area network, or any computer that could be even in China or in any country that has internet, fast internet. So I show you the box and how it works, but now I want to show you the software that comes with it. This software is available for PC and Mac, and it also has and it's for free, of course, and it also comes with a free app for the iPhone or any Android phone. So it's pretty cool. I had tried it in the iPhone and it works really well, but it doesn't work very well on 3G or 4G networks. That being said, on the computer with a normal Wi-Fi fast internet connection, it works perfectly. In fact, it works so good that you could even it could be also like a substitute for your cable. But of course, you have to have at least one connection to the cable box to be able to stream the internet. So anyway, this is the software version 1.8, and it's the latest as of today in 2012 July. They keep updating the software, and those updates are free, so there's always some glitches that they fix, and they have been really good with it. So this is the main interface. You see on the left here, I have the QVC channel, just to put anything, and you can see that it's pretty smooth, and you don't hear the volume now because it's muted, but you can change the volume here. Maybe you can hear it now. So of course I just put my speaker soft, but it could sound really loud if you want. As you can see, if you want to see a full size window of this TV, just place on Watch TV and you will present it with a full screen. Also, you want to go even full screen. This is not really full screen because you still have the software interface. All you do is double click that and you will get a full screen. So it's really neat. Just double click to get out, and you see you have different icons here. One is your EPG, and the EPG you have to configure it first and just choose what cable service you have. If you have Comcast, DirecTV, or any of the services, then the software will automatically get the list of channels depending on your type of service too. If you have premium cable, you will have more channels. If you have basic cable, you have less channels. And you see this is the list. The cool thing about this is like having DirecTV. You can see the channel number, the name, and what is going on at that time. These are the times here on the top, and you can go forward, and it goes pretty much far. I think it goes all the way to 1 week. It's 1 week of programming that you can go in the future. And why do we have this? Not only we can change channel with this. So for example, I can see here 2012 Summer Olympics. So all I do is double click. You see it's changing channel, and you see the channel has changed. It's changing here in this number. That's because I have a VCR connected to the cable box. That probably is going to be another video, but it just changed the channel, and that is as simple as that. If you want, you can access a control remote. This is the next icon here. You press the remote control, and if you know the number of the channel, you can just go ahead and use it. So for example, let's change it to another one. Let's put 08. It takes a few seconds for those commands that you type on the remote to be sent remotely through the internet to my cable box that as a note is not located in my house that I'm doing this recording right now. It's connected in a different house. So but it's pretty fast, and you see it's pretty smooth. The video, of course, is not high definition. It's just I could say it's like medium to low def, but you can adjust that to a higher definition. Of course, the higher definition, you will require a higher bandwidth. So I found out that having a lower definition is more than enough for me. Now you can see that you have some different things like recording stop. It's like a VCR too, and that's because the Vulkano not only can allow you to watch the channels, but you can also record. So let's go back here to the APG. Let's close out of this, and let's say I want to record this Summer Olympics, or let's let's here Futurama. It's gonna happen in like about a couple of hours from now. So you just double click, and you see nothing happens because it's in the future. But if you right click, you can see an option that's saying the schedule recording. So all you have to do is click on schedule recording. It's gonna ask me, it's even give me a description of the show, the times that it runs, and if you want to record it or not. If you click on modify, you can even choose, you know, the start time, the end time, and the coolest thing is that you can choose the format that this video is going to be recorded. So you want it to be compatible with your iPad. You want to record the channel, then download it to your iPad and see it on the subway or on the train or in the plane. You can do that. BlackBerry, Google, etc. And also reduces the size greatly. I would say that at 1 hour program takes just a couple hundred megabytes. So it's really efficient, the compression. I think it uses MP4 or AVI to compress depending on which format you choose. So after you choose yes, it's scheduling, and that's it. It has an icon, and that's it. You know, the Vulkano will record at that time, and it's going to be totally seamless. After you do that, you can go here to the display recordings, and again, you can do this in your LAN or in the WAN on the internet. And if you click scheduled, you will see the ones that you have scheduled. You can schedule as many recordings as you want, as far as I know. And after they're completed, they will be in this ready to transfer section. What does ready to transfer section means? Means that those programs have been recorded. They are in the SD card of the Vulkano or in the external hard drive. You choose to connect it to an external hard drive for more space. But nowadays with the SD cards that are 32 gigs, you know, 16 gigs, is plenty of space to put as many shows as you want. And so once they are in that SD card, you have to transfer them to your computer. In this case, if I want to transfer this, for example, this Ancient Aliens show, I just click on transfer, and you will see that that show is being recording. It's been transferred on the internet from the box all the way to my computer here that I'm using now. It's kind of slow because you know, the download is not that fast, but it just takes maybe 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes to download a show. I can just cancel. So after that has been transferred to your computer, it will appear in the ready to watch queue. Right now I don't have anything ready to watch, but if I had downloaded those shows, it will be here. I just double click it and I could watch it. By the way, since the files are saved in a neutral format, AVI or MP4, you can open that with any compatible video player. So that's really cool for compatibility. Well, besides that, you know, that's pretty much it. There are only two limitations that I have to say of the Vulkano, and those are software limitations. The first one is that it doesn't allow you to record a program daily or weekly or monthly. That feature is called, I think, series recording. That's not been enabled on the software yet. And I was looking for, you know, it's kind of important if you want to record a series every Monday or every week, a recurrent series. And so that's a kind of a limitation with this software. But as of now, I'm sure now that Vulkano has it on the roadmap to add that functionality to this software. It's just a software issue, so it's really easy. It should be easy to implement. I have looked at the Vulkano company website, and there is an answer to that inquiry. It's an official answer that Vulkano does have that in the roadmap to put that functionality. So sooner or later that will come out, I think, because it's really easy to implement and it's basic. So that's probably the only limitation. And besides that, I think it's a great thing to have. Now the cost, as of today, I think it's $100 for the basic unit. I paid mine $150, but it was like when it first came out. Now it got cheaper, so I really recommend it. And as you can see, it's a no-brainer. You can change channel, record, and all for $100. It's really cool, especially if you are on the go and traveling. That really can, you know, you can bring the TV with you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, and also check out my blog and my store. I'm putting some t-shirts and some designs that have been created there, so you know, it would be really cool if you can tell me your feedback and maybe give me some support. Alright, thank you so much.